Okay, we've got ourselves a measuring spoon here. This measures at about 1 tablespoon. So we're going to go ahead and take our first scoop of that coffee, and we're going to place it inside of the Vietnamese coffee dripper there. I tend to use, two, maybe sometimes 1.5. It just depends on how strong you want your coffee. You can see it's gone over the tip there, and it's a very dark coffee. We're going to move that around a little bit so we can even it out and get that top onto it, because that's what we're going to have to do in order to get that good cup of coffee there. Okay, we're using our bamboo spoon, and we are leveling it out. They say it's best to actually shake it out, which is why you have the two handles here on the side. It's going to just kind of level that out a little bit. Let that kind of level out. See it? Okay, it's leveled out. Let's get it back on top of there. Didn't mean to do that. It's all out of milk now. Terrible. Good. Okay. All right. We're going to start pouring our first. We're going to put the container back on top like that, which is where it should be. Spin it around just a little bit. Make sure it's nice and firm in place, like that. Okay. It's a little bit different than the other way I've always made coffee. So let's see. Let's get our first pour in there. I'm going to pour that first little bit. It's just to dampen the grinds and sort of let them expand a little bit. That's it. And we're going to start seeing our first drip after pouring the second spout of water. We're going to let that let that dampen for about 2 to 3 minutes.